The reason why I called you is this. I want to ask you a question. And I want you to tell me the truth as your mother. This rumor that has been making wave in our community and every other place, is it true?
Mama, there are some questions you ask. I begin to ask myself questions. So the reason you called me under this rain, you called me out to come and ask me question. The question you want to ask me is rumor. The rumor you are hearing, if it is true. Mama, wait, let me ask you. Are you trying to ask a rumor monger? You're asking a rumor monger, the controller of rumors, the inspector general of rumors that knows every rumor or a particular rumor. Mama, let me tell you, still under the same rain, I know so many rumors going on in this our community, in this our village. So many rumors. So I am wondering the particular rumor you are talking about.
The rumor in question is the rumor you've been carrying around that Victor, your brother, ran away with your money. That is what I'm asking you.
I don't understand. Are you calling me a rumor monger? More. A rumor monger. Mama, let me tell you. I am telling you that your son, Victor, ran away with my 100,000 naira. My ego meeting ran away with my money. I am telling you, instead of you to be calming me down or make it, you're here asking me some silly questions if I am sure. Mama, let me ask you, by right, are you not supposed to be calming me down? Not to report this case to any shrine, Amadioha, so that they will come after Victor. You're here telling me what I don't know.
Ignatius, as true as the sun shines in the morning, and that Mini zone, when it is done, everywhere will be dry. I know that you have never had anything to do with any meeting.
Mama, let me ask you. Now you're making references to Mini you know when? Are you God that sends rain? Do you know when this rain is going to stop? Do you know when? Do you know when it's going to stop? Let's look at you, Mama. Sometimes I wonder if I am truly your son. Because the way you treat me, you don't treat me like your first son. Yes, you don't treat me like your first son. I am telling you the truth. See, your son took my money and ran away. Instead of you to do something about it, let Victor bring back my money. You are here talking to me, dealing with me as if I'm an adopted child. Mama, let me tell you, as far as I am concerned, you're not supposed to ask me any nonsense question. Papa is, by the way, Mama, you're supposed to treat me like your first son. In fact, your second husband. Papa is gone. Very soon now you will go. I will take over the place. You're supposed to treat me well so that when you are gone, I will handle the place with care.
Ignatius, is that your plan?
Won't you go?
You want me to die?
Won't you die?
Well, for your information, I am not going anytime soon.
Abia.
Because I'm the moment I go, I am not going anytime soon.
Abia. Mama, let me tell you, you're not going very soon. You're not going anytime soon. You have said it, oh, that you're not going anytime soon. Any day you die, if I write Mama gone so soon, call me Mama. I will not write Mama gone so soon. Yes, you tell me you're not. Let me tell you, Mama. Hence, you are not doing anything about this thing. You're telling. You don't want Victor to return back my money, Mama. I am going to get my money in whichever way, however I want. In fact, Victor must return my money or return to Chanego. Victor has finished returning my money. Don't worry yourself. Oh. You don't want to do anything about it. Look at you. It's on one. Or live on. Where is this your daughter? This is your Mariko daughter. Or check on Makagi. Both of you should respect yourselves in this house. This rain now is called rain.
Ignatius, you will get naked in front of me. You will get naked in front of me.
What am I hiding that you've not seen? The only thing you've not seen is the action. Otherwise, everything you saw. Yes! You saw everything when you get back to me.
Hey! Hey! Maybe want to kill a sheep and mad for. Eh?
You say your guy came back without informing you people.
Original dancer. Why
Hey, tell me somebody reported the people to him. This boy, the only thing you have to go and do is friend and her friend, not to come to the house again.
Me no bad man cheesy. I don't say me no send anybody.
Sandra is
Say me no
changed.
rust bad queasy. They just say me no fear anybody. Sexy girl, she want make me feel alright. Say this girl, she want turn up the light. I got the power and I got all the might. So me turn up the stage and me turn up all night.
You got to plead
Who be
with
the
her.
guy
Go
when you
back
want
to
like
her.
a maga?
Plead so that she will expose the
Me
people.
tell her say your mother and your father be the maga. So me tell her say your mother and your father be the maga. Find that thing me, they make me feel alright. Take this girl, she the boss of my mind.
And why I say my
That's the girl, she want turn on the light, yeah. She want turn on the light, yeah. On the low, yeah. Shake that thing on the low, yeah. Now you they drive me crazy. The back I gonna crazy. Check out the water bum bum. See this girl, she really lick it on down. Why I'm biting on the chopper. Chopper. Ooh, you want push. See my baby girl, she want push. I like the move, cause you know why he ain't too good.
Take time.
See this girl, she
You
be
yourself.
bad, yeah. The way she
give me
does, she be bad, yeah. Your dance is step,
How?
baby, follow
That same
me,
man will
baby,
give us
down
money,
the
we will
step,
be
down the
squandering.
step.
The same money that we will spend. The same money we will use do birthday for her. That man, I saw him.
Eh? What I do?
One of our dance car. Then she said, I go buy her the money. Put for the BBC. I said, the man tell me say, just thank God, say I said that you wanted to come to the house. Don't do anything. I saw for that. But you never come.
Who do you tell me give?
Tell me say the man don't travel go Mexico. He don't travel go outside. You know they come back again. Say make we carry the money, celebrate better than back then. Why you no get conscience? I talk am, I tell am make him come back. I talk am, I tell the man say make him return. I talk am, I tell the man say make him feel this expect.
You give them the assurance.
Say you don't come back. See me, I tell you. As for this, I've decided and I've made a plan. In fact, everything is arranged. The man cannot connect to Oga. Oga cannot connect to the man.
How?
The how we say I don't buy the man's number from the getting Oga. I don't cut out. What you call it? Oga no fit call am. The man number end with 1 2. The man on number end with 1 2. I don't want to wait with 40. So Oga will dey call now, they call wrong person. Confirm. Understand? Why the man go run call Oga, he go get Oga. You want that? Let me say you don't finish work. Then you now where you go come in. You yourself. Now where you go come in, maybe say the thing you want for the right person, you go just want go open it. Everything you want pass, you go just go open it. As security way be, you know say, no be everybody said we knock, now you go open it.
I don't learn my lesson.
Better learn.
I don't learn my lesson. Anybody will enter this compound now. Because you know my problem is, you people know all these guys from you as a place to put it. Anybody will know what they just want to open them and fight their own daily. You understand? For this time around now,
Matter of fact, not reach you to open it without looking at it.
no, I go the pit. I go the pit. Go clean and clean up. I go back my gate.
Oh yes, I'm fine.
Original dancer.
She's
Why
fine.
you ain't a smart? Baby, one is loaded. Just wanna spread it on you.
Hey, babe.
Just wanna pump it on you. My baby, your body nice. Tell me no feel alright. Me no push. Me no take a high. Tell me no feel alright. Your body nice.
sent to the guy. What did you say? Dad wants me to come back today. Why will you leave it for tomorrow? Why will you leave it for tomorrow? Come. You said again will be your good girl package. You do not work in this role. Don't spoil this one for me. Better go and dress up and look up and disappoint me. What's even your problem, sir? What's really your problem? The young man on his own church children invited you over and you just changed it. What if he not change his own mind tomorrow? What's going on? Well, I've told you severally, do not be fast in everything. It will make men see you as a desperado. Sandra, relax. It's you who are here sharp. And those men were ready to do Madam Sharp, please come to your own man. Be sharp. Yeah, but for this one, it's strictly my business. So please, mind your own.
See my baby girl, she want push. I like the move, cause you know I eat it too good. See this girl, she be bad as yeah. The way she does, she be bad as yeah. Your dance step, baby, follow me, make we count this step, round this step, cool. It's a Friday night, this girl, me no feel alright, me no push, me no take a high, me no kill this girl, me no feel alright, cool. It's a Friday night, me no kill this girl, me no feel alright, me no push, me no take a high.
Listen, that kind of plenty here we do. We just a prove, no, that is just the truth. Step on the groove, you go know. Don't worry. Just like the virgin one day, baby, one is slowly. Just wanna spend it on you. Wanna compete on you. On the load, now you they drive me crazy. I'm a smart one and we crazy. We keep it blazing. On the load, now you they drive me crazy. I'm a smart one and we crazy. We keep it blazing.
School is fine. Everything is fine. We just finished writing our exams, so we're all going home for holidays.
Wow. So I will not be seeing you again.
It's just 3 weeks.
3 weeks? Look at the way you just call it. 3 weeks is like 3 years to me. Besides, I'll be traveling to abroad very soon.
Oh, then I don't know.
Anyway. Why not spend 2 weeks with me before traveling back to your hometown?
Huh?
Yes.
No, I mean, it's too sudden coming to stay over in a guy's house. Besides, my friend and I will be traveling to our village.
And as well, come with your friend. At least you spend like 2 weeks, as I said, and then travel back to your hometown.
I'll think about it.
It's not that I am trying to disturb you or anything. It's just that this place is too boring for me to stay alone. Okay?
Like I said, I will think about it.
No problem. Pascal! Pascal! Why are you sweating like this? Eh? Pascal? Pascal, have you lost your manners?
see you. Are you mad?
Sorry.
Why are you staring at her like that?
Okay, I thought Monday, she looks like this woman that used to say.
Are you stupid?
Yeah.
Don't you have brain? Look at the way you're looking at a human being like that.
Sorry, sir. I'm sorry, sir.
See, please be careful.
We are careful. I'm careful. All this while. So what can I do for you, sir? You just called me.
Have you looked at her?
Why
are you blind?
Good day.
Pascal, please come like this. Please watch that car for me. Watch the car for me. I'll be going out in some minutes time. Okay?
Should I wash it now or should I...
Go. Get out from here.
Is he your younger brother?
I will be going.
He is my driver. You'll be going. Please, don't mind this. This is it.
It's fine. So, tell me more about yourself.
Babe, you mean that guy just gave you 20k just like that?
That's not all. He said we should come and stay in his house for 1 week before he travels.
We, as in you and
Me, as in me and my ancestors.
Gosh, so I was telling you. So when are we moving?
Relax.
Sandy, I don't like that smile. What is it?
Nothing.
If you say so. As for me, I can't wait to get into that house. I will deal with those two, Vic and Kali.
You still calling them Daniel? Their real names are Gateman Victor and driver Pascal.
Hey, babe, what's up now? Where my own share?
As in how? In what way?
You won't keep the 20k all to yourself.
Sandra around. I want to see her.
What is it now? You like shade and you came out under this rain.
Vera, I beg. Something will bring me come there very, very serious. I beg, I want to see Sandra. I want to see both of you. I want to talk to both of you.
Actually, Sandra is inside.
Good. Let's go. I want to see her.
My friend, go back. See who?
Vera, this is a very serious matter. Vera, I want to talk to both of you girls. Hey. I beg, just help me out. It's very, very important.
Come, Victor. Can't you read the handwriting on the wall? Eh? Can't you see what is boldly written on the wall?
Which handwriting when I won't read?
Now listen. Read my lips. It is over between you guys and us. Okay?
Why they do like this? Why do they forget things quick? You they quick forget things. You don't forget as we they take the joy. Now when we don't get small problem, when we want make una help us, make us sort out. Let us go still sit down. The chop as we they do before. Now you this month now you know if you understand.
Understand what?
I beg help me now. Make me go sit down with Sandra. Make we pass this small message across.
Victor, call Sandra on the phone.
Sandra don't pick my call. You don't know. Don't be on the day.
That is your business. Okay. Let it not be like I'm wicked. Let me just do you this last favor. Whatever thing you want to tell her, say it to me. It will get to her.
I would have loved to see her and tell her this thing one-on-one. In fact, I wanted to talk to both of you. But since it's like this, I beg. Don't be see I tell you what to do. But I'm just telling you this. Now I beg. Make una come our house again. Make una stop to see my oga Chode. Yes! Make una see him. because it gets more matter now with the ground now. We will say, make we sort out together.
This Victor, you really have got so. Tell me, why should we stop seeing Trudy?
Hi, reason best known to us. We be men, no. Not be everything we go talk. Not be everything. It gets some kind secret things when we men they we will know they tell people like that. You hear me so? I beg. Remember, na Vic be this so.
Oh, shut up. Throw that your Vic to the gutters. I don't want it. Now listen. The drummers have changed the beating of the song. And it will only be wise enough if the dancers should also change their dancing styles. It is over between you guys and us.
It's obvious.
Level don't change now. What's up now? What's up? Level don't change. Make una two understand now.
We know. I know wetin dey worry you. I know wetin dey worry. I know why they do like this. But I go still talk to my Sandra. She go understand me. Your small nature, nothing that affect you. But I no get talk for you again.
Get going.
Where you talk?
Leave this place, else I call our security man. Leave this place, please.
Things go fall back again. Things go fall back in place again. No.
Victor, get out, I beg. Look at him. Imagine nonsense. You came out under this rain to just say rubbish to me. God will punish you. Come and see Sandra.
Hey, thief! Hey, the thief come. I pity these thieves. Who are there? Who are they? Hey!
Are you? This one inside. You.
Huh?
Come on, take my bag.
See, make I tell her. You don't too much for her. You hear me so? Fine. Shabi una won't come they live with us. And I don't come. Onu Pascal, Eba to be driving car. Take care of the gate.
Yes, professional driver.
You girls can help yourselves by carrying your bags inside.
Take your bags. We can show you where you sleep.
Babe,
simple.
I'm not correct for this nonsense. Please call Trudy on the phone. If you know what I'm nonsense.
Sorry, wait.
Listen, you know
this thing, my friend. Nonsense.
Is this bag spoiled? Don't hold me.
Come and something to drink.
And also be carry colac, so. You see the guy take me because I shout. You don't get. That's what they do.
Don't even go there. You don't feel give person signal and say, see the guests who are coming here.
Did you ask me wait? Did you wait? You wait.
No be your shout and bring me out.
Yes, I shout. No be so you come down and ask me. Wait, you rush open you, they do my job. I drive the car when they drive. Why who gave you the authority?
No problem. Now, you don't cast everything.
You don't can.
These guests don't come see us now.
They don't know us. Yes.
Carry your bags.
They get me carry at
I should help you. Is it my duty? My duty is to put gear and remove gear. So carry these things. Your duty is to open the gate
and close the gate
and assess what is coming from the gate.
I'm okay with the bags. Carry them inside.
Go in. Carry your bag.
You see, you get the kind thing with how they look for you like this and they invest for you. I don't tell them. They say make you know they bring short people. I know they like work with them. You get as they work they be. I know they like them.
No, my name is Keto. Nice meeting you, Port. Port, nice meeting you. Keto, call him Port Black. You can be imagine. For me to get this kind of heart, I don't get sense. It's better. In fact, I sleep on the ground and get sense.
I don't know, self. Don't beside the talk. Make I talk. As it's short reach. Now so your brain too go short. Everything about me so then short. Now why they tell Oga say people like you make them know they enter this place. If they hear me so, as your behavior be, now they vex me.
Victor, you don't see anybody wey talk pass me wey get conscience. Victor, now stone this guy carry come here. Person go carry the whole building, they enter another person come back.
get tired of snapping?
Who gets tired? Please. Oh, you're spoiling my video.
Make sure you don't get me in that thing.
Get out, please. Me too. Anyway, where's Pascal? Pascal! Pascal!
Hey, call me. Yeah. You called me.
What do you guys have in the kitchen?
What will do? What? Why will you? We don't have anything. The only thing we have is the drink I just offered you people. Now we don't have anything.
Are you okay? I mean, what do you have in the kitchen for us to eat?
Okay, to eat. Please, sorry to disturb you. In this house, we shared duty. My own duty is to drive. I'm a professional driver. While Victor, his own duty is to be the gate man. So for now, what we are lacking in this house is cook. Both of you can team up, come with an agreement with your passport and your voter's card, so I can talk to you, I can employ you people as cook, so that you people will be cooking for us, depending on the salary and what you cook. So that's the thing. There's no food in this house.
Pascal, you must be very stupid. It is your mother that will work for Chudi as a cook. Idiot.
Wait, did I say anything wrong?
Will you shut up and go and get us something to eat? Nonsense.
Apart from this drink, I don't know what else to get you people. I told you people who don't have any other thing. And you said I should get out and get you something to eat. Huh? Go outside there, buy beans, buy onions and buy other things. Then I can borrow stove from another. We don't cook. We don't cook. Huh? You guys will not understand it.
Hey. Pascal!
Yeah?
Pascal!
Yes?
You must get us something to eat. Nonsense. Consider sacking this boy. Consider sacking him. Don't worry, nonsense. He was talking to us. We should cook for Chucky. Don't worry, we are here now. I'll make sure I cut their tails. Nonsense.
What is this?
Which one is what is? Are you not seeing it? It's food now.
It's food now. Rice and stew. Yes. I'm not sure this is my food. Go and take it. Go and get me my own food. This is not my food.
How
come and take
do you
it.
mean this is not your food?
I said come and take this in a way. This is not my food. Or something. How do I mean? How else you want me to say it? That this is not my food. Go and bring me my food. Or something. How do I mean? You bring a thing up also before take this in a way. Take this out of this place. You asking me how do I go there? Okay. Mama, can you imagine? Can you imagine this or check on Maka? Mama, do you know that this girl here has grown wings in this house? She served me food with one meat. Otan!
Go and check the soup on fire.
Come and take this food though, before I lose my temper.
Ignatius, don't only lose your temper, lose your temperament. I served this food myself. I dished it.
Mama! You gave me this food. Mama, you gave me food with one meat. Mama, why are you this wicked? Why? I was even thinking it is this adopted child of yours. So you served me food with one meat. Why?
Shin, has it completely gone off your dictionary? Eh? You're not even ashamed of yourself. At your age, a fool at 40, you're still eating mommy thank you. And you have the mouth, the infantry, the guts to demand for more meat. If you want to eat more meat, walk, bring ofona madoeba, boya, and eat. As for this, what I have is what I gave you. See how I'm sweating?
Mama, let me tell you. You see all these things you're saying this one, saying that one. I know the reason your people are doing all these things you're doing. You are doing all these things because, if not, in fact, I don't blame you. If not because Victor ran away with my 100,000 naira, you go meet in Aka bomb. All this nonsense you people are doing, you won't be doing it. What I would have done now is go to a place where they do point and kill of animal. Point a very big cow, a boleme jaja. I come here and eat banyo. I eat and even more bread. But I don't blame you. You had effrontery, mama, to serve me one meat. And you're standing before me to brag about it, Ignatius, that you purposely did it.
Ignatius, if the food is not good enough for you, let me take it.
Let me tell you, do you know why you're sweating? You are sweating because of, I am sure God is aware of what you are doing to me. God is aware of your inhumanity to a first son. A son who owns this compound. God is not happy the way you're treating me, giving me one meat. That is why God sent an angel of heat to come and pour on top of you. Nah. That is why you're always sweating.
Wait for your turn.
I am sure it was your sweat that killed Papa. Because Papa was always complaining. Heat, a bomb, heat. Even in under rainy season, Papa was still complaining of heat. Yeah, we teaching that God fired you with the heat. Oh, Papa.
Aqua compound. Wait for your turn. If you're not eating,
look at you. I'm not even sure. This stew is not even enough. Mama, this stew, who cooked it? Or go because this stew looks like and I'm sure if it is your Obanje daughter that fried this stew, Madam good stew on. If I test this stew, Otomokoka, or Obanje, you don't know buy your.
I still doubt this thing. How Sandra and Vera go to live Wotona in this house? You dey ask this question. So you know say women can never be trusted. You know?
If we tell you what we pass through for this house, you pity two of us.
We dey try, you forget.
Finally, we've turned slaves.
See, you guys, you people better take them easy. See, women, they're bad. Women, they're bad, but I must deal with them. You see two of them, I could punish them. No be so. I should be that.
And I should be that.
I beg, this gate, I go take careful with the gate. Eh? I go take careful with the gate. See, anybody will be, I'm not fearing. Anybody, I dey talk about the gate. I must be closing this gate by 9. Anybody where you be, whether madam or guy, I get madam.
You just be mounted. You, Victor, today will be the last time you will bring in strangers.
No. I'm not bringing stranger come here.
Hey, see the way they talk. Now John be this.
Now John, you don't know.
John.
Can you just shut your mouth? You, Pascal, who called you to this discussion? Will you go and face the car that you're driving? And you face your gate. Do not bring in any stranger to this compound.
For your information, I don't bring stranger in here. And my own gate man don't be anyhow gate man. My own gate man should just call me my name. Vic.
Well, I've made myself clear. Because from now on, I am in charge.
No, John, you see that's what I tell you.
No,
you see the thing I tell you, say we suffer for this house.
You
see the way Sandra they take talk to us now. They she. Also talking to you, Pastor.
Wait.
We she.
Wait.
We.
Now me this girl they talk to.
No. Have you seen?
Now so women they do.
Have you seen? No, not women. Sandra, this is the one.
Sandra don't do like say never see me in this house.
John, don't talk that.
We were with here with them. You know see what
this one are 1/10 of what we see here. You don't see how this girl they do us shit. Pastor, I wasn't talking to you. Concentrate on your driving. You, Victor, concentrate on your gate, man.
No, don't worry. I must deal with her. You cannot deal with her. See, it's not in your position. Not in your power. Don't deal with anybody.
Don't deal with anybody and put us in trouble.
At all.
Leave the healing. The thing now, and say,
can you help us? How to help us get this key? The money is here.
Yes.
How to get her? If not that one no be problem. I go help on her do am. Even am.
No one. No problem.
Come and start going. Come do verse. I beg.
If you dey here now more than 30 minutes, we no go chop.
Are you still playing?
Yes, ma'am. It's okay now.
Sandy, Vivi, I beg. You just want to go with one share with me. It's important.
Sandra, able young men, we are here trying to talk to you, but you are not give us a little attention.
I beg.
Sandra, talk to us now.
What is it? Eh? Were you the one that gave me that name? Eh? Ask him. Why must you be calling my name like that? Oh yeah, talk. What is it?
Okay. Sandra, in the first place, I'm sorry for the mood, the way I mentioned your name. It's out of the force. Tampa justice, Tampa hospital. Understand? What is there is this. We are here to say that we are sorry. We want you to forgive us for the incoming sin and the sins that we committed and the one that we are about to commit.
Even though we know say we never offend you.
We know say we never offend you people. We are all we are doing is to say sorry.
This is the worst part about both of you. That you don't admit your mistakes. You mean you did not offend us? You lied to us. You deceived us. So what other pain can you cause us?
Santi baby, Vivian. Okay, I beg. Remember, I did for my Bible talk and say, if sin no day, forgiveness no go day.
Yes,
when we come join hands, they talk say, we are sorry.
We officially sorry.
Official one.
Officially
yes.
Sorry. Forgive us and the trespasses. Sandra, we say we are sorry.
You know hear wetin we talk? You know hear us?
Sandra, we said we are sorry. We are saying we expected you to say yes, we've had you or we did not hear. Let's know the next agenda or how to bring it up for you people to hear.
Please play, I don't mind this.
I've played, my dear, play.
My Victor with this, your Victor.
Napaki.
You know what?
They have not seen anything yet.
Gateman Vic and driver Kali.
Look at their two left legs. We are sorry.
Ignatius, do you mean that you've not been hearing from Victor, your brother?
Uche, my friend, let me tell you. Speaking about Victor is like reminding me of a healed wound. I don't want to discuss Victor at all. Do you know that Victor had the effrontery to run away with my money? But let me tell you, the only thing that will save Victor is that Victor returns with my money. If Victor fails to come back to this village with my money, honestly speaking, the sky will break loose. The sky will break into two. I will so deal with Victor that Victor will not recognize himself when he sees himself again.
You know, Igne, you can be funny at times. So your money, how do you mean? I like how much?
Uche, I can be funny.
You can be funny.
How much? Money? I can be funny. Well, my money is 100,000 naira that Victor ran away with. Also, he can be funny.
Do you know that 100,000 naira is a chicken change to compare with what I saw your brother Victor with?
I saw your brother Victor in one of the biggest hotels in the city, spending money. You know, he even promised to dash me money the next time he sees me.
Let me just believe that this is, this is the case of singing the lost song in a strange land. Let me not just wait. Did you say that 100,000 naira is a cheap? In fact, you saw Victor lavishing money in one of the hotels in the city. Are you joking? What are you trying?
No. How can I be joking with this kind of matter? I saw Victor, your brother. I didn't even recognize him. He was the one that called me.
Uche, look, let me tell you on a more serious note. In as much as you know that I like jokes, there are certain jokes I don't like, and those kind of jokes that I don't like, one of them is this one that you just cracked now. I don't like. Are you trying to joke with me or what?
I'm not. I'm serious. Your brother Victor is a big boy in the city. He's not living large.
My brother Victor is a big boy in the city. He's living large now. Please, do you have his number? Let me give me his number. Let me call him.
I don't have his number. I equally forgot to go collect his number the last time I saw him because I was so excited.
Big boy.
He's a big boy,
living large, extra large in the city. With my money. Victor is living large in the city. Gallivanting, spending money anyhow. I am sure. He's lavishing those money with girls, city girls. My money. Mama! Come here. Victor living large in the city with my money. Okay. Mama, your son Victor, who ran away with my money. He's now a big boy in the city.
Uche, how are you?
Uche, please, this is not time to exchange pleasantries. I want you to repeat what you told me before my mother.
Uche, I hope everything is fine.
Everything is okay. I was just trying to tell Ignatius here, my friend, that his brother Victor is now living large in the city. I mean, he's now a big boy, a bigger boy.
Which Victor?
Your Victor, of course.
You're asking which Victor? Which other Victor do you know, Mama? Victor is living large in the city with my money. Now, not just he's living large. Victor's name has been changed from Victor now to Vic. Victor! Lavishing my money in the city. You know why? Victor and girls are now dancing at the log with my money.
But wait, I hope there is no problem.
Of course, no, there is no problem. The only time there will be problem is when I invite you for my brother's funeral. That is when you will know that there's problem.
I'm trying to tell you that your brother Victor is living large in the city. I mean, 100,000 is a chicken change.
Of course, I understood you very, very well. What I'm saying is that Victor ran away with my money, went to the city. I am sure that Victor in the city is lavishing my money with women. He's lavishing my money with women. I won't be surprised if he carries two girls because the money he went to the city with is going to be an bomb. Therefore, he spends the money with whom Look at my mother. Before my mother, I am telling my mother that Victor is spending my money in the city. Victor took my money to the city to enjoy, lavish my money with the girls. My mother did not even utter a word. She stood there upon the fact that she knows that, look at our roof. Our roof is leaking. We don't sleep at night, Uche. We do not sleep at night because of rain, because of bad roof. And Victor is lavishing, squashing my money, 100,000 naira. My mother did not even say, Victor, come back with the money. Come and repair our roof. Victor said, don't tell me not to go. Don't tell me not to go. Mama. 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 Mache, I'm going to the city. I said I am going to the city. As a matter of fact, okay, your son woke up and told you that he's going to the city. You could not even ask me what am I going to the city to do. It's all right. I am going to the city to either come back with my money or kill Victor and come back. Chugo. Me also. Do I have water in my mouth when I said it? I said I am going to the city either to come back here with my money or to kill Victor and come back? Yes.
What is wrong with you?
Mama, what is wrong with me
Will
is that...
Victor not come back to this village?
For how long has Victor been in the city? And as a matter of fact, the other day here, Uche came and told you that Victor is now a big boy. He's lavishing money in the city. He's brandishing money in the city. That money is my money. You did not complain. You didn't even say, how do you get to Victor? To tell Victor to come back with my money. Did you tell Uche to tell you how to get Victor? Did you trace Victor in the city to come to bring back my money? Did you?
It hasn't gotten to this.
It has even passed that. It has gotten to that and it has passed it. Mama, look, I am going to that city to either come back with my money or kill Victor. Let nobody hold me. Let nobody tell me not to go.
Ignatius,
Okay.
it is just you and Victor. The two of you are the only sons I have. You want the enemies to use you and shine, okay?
So you know. So you know. This is not the case of Wepa Mama. I would have gone with him. So you know it is only me and Victor. And you were told that Victor ran away with my 100,000 naira and is living a large life in the city with my money. You did not say anything. Now you know it is only me and Victor. Let me tell you. When, in fact, Mama, from time I have always known that it is only me. I don't have a brother. I don't have a sister. I am going to the city to collect my money or I kill Victor. You don't want to beg me.
I've been begging.
It's alright.
Mama, if you can listen to me as your daughter, I know Brother Ignatius very well. I know him more than you. Allow him to go to the city and kill Victor. Don't let him go. You want to go to the city, right? Go to the city. Go and kill him.
Okay, I should go to the city and kill Victor.
Mama, don't beg him, oh.
Mama,
don't beg him. Nothing.
This witch here said I should go to the city
Go.
and kill Victor. And you call this person your daughter. If this girl is truly your daughter, she cannot advise you to leave me to go and kill Victor. Because this girl is Obanje. She has come to this family to destroy all of us. That is the reason she will tell you to allow me to go and kill your son.
Ignatius.
Which, in this world, which sister will say, go and kill my brother? If not the sister that comes from Marine Kingdom, and that is she.
Ignatius.
Mama.
Ngozula. People are already at their windows listening. Akwechoriga City.
Eh?
You should be running to the city by now.
Eh? Wait, my mother has been possessed by evil spirit. She approved me going to the city to go and kill Victor. My mother is gone. A second. What did you just say? No, tell me what you said. I should go to the city and kill Victor.
Ignatius, the motor loading to the city is not far away. Give one a junction, you can wait a motor. Gawa City. Bam.
She's even telling me the boss that is going to the city.
What is holding you?
What is holding me is Obanje has taken over my mother. You have taken over my mother. Mama, this girl has overwhelmed you. This girl has possessed you that you no longer know what you're doing. No? How can a girl like this say, go and kill her brother and come back? That is to tell you that this girl is Obanje. I have been telling you in this house that this girl is possessed. I don't even know where you got this girl from. But let me tell you, Obanje, wherever you came from, no matter the Marine Kingdom where you came from, I have promised you. I promised you before. I will come to your shrine, that your river, where you came from. Pour fuel and kerosene on top. Burn you to ashes. That's what I will do. In that river Niger where you came from, I will come there. Wire fuel, wire kerosene. Burn you to ashes. It's alright, Mama. You said I should go to the park. And then the buses are loading, or the bus is loading. Eh? I should board myself to this thing. Thank you very much. Mama, please. I'm not asking you for money. I'm not begging you for money. Why am 2,000 naira? Run around for 2,000 naira for me. Oh. I'm not begging you money though. It's not like I'm begging you money. Just
Ignatius, you woke up, took your bath, got dressed, packed your bag, sharpened your knife to go to the city, and you don't have transport. Nothing.
Can you shut up? Oh. Can you shut up? Oh. Did I call your opinion? Did I call your opinion? Shut up, Obanje. Shut up, Mama. I'm not asking you for money. I'm not begging you money. I said give me 2,000 naira. Let me go to the city. You don't want to give me 2,000?
I don't have.
You don't have 2,000 naira to give me. You want me to go and kill Victor? Akwe? In fact, let me tell you, Mama. Let me start killing this girl here before I go to the city. Let me begin to. It's like you want to see cops.
The
Let me begin to kill
you
Victor.
sharpened your knife for is Victor. He's in the city.
Let me tell you, this knife can kill both Victor and this.
I'm telling you, you want this knife.
I should take away the knife. Let me start killing you first. Let me start killing you. I should take away with the knife. Mama, give me 2,000 naira. Okay, let me go inside and ransack everywhere. Let me go inside and ransack. I know where you keep bundle.
You know,
let me go and ransack.
You're not going to the city again.
I told you. I know me.
Give me
This man will not give me.
When your time will be up, you will say
Pascal! Why are you doing like you didn't hear me? Take, wash these clothes and wash it very, very clean. There's one. Wait, see. This one. This is my best bomb shot. You see this place? Look at it well. Wash it very, very well. Because it's already brown. And I like the bomb shot so much. Are you hearing me? Wash it. Very clean.
when your time will end, you will say, had I know it will be late, very late.
Pascal, you've seen it all. So me now, watch bomb shots. They even tell me we are done brown, we are no brown. Wait till they do, we make that place come here, come turn brown. Me, we hush up. That's why they go see for this life. No, you go bring brush. Why we use brush that side, make it turn white again? Share this clothes. I go wash them. I know I trust myself. I go wash them for you. Like heck is shining.
Are you telling me that, hey, everything Ignatius has been telling people about you stealing his money, Egomi Tinaka boy, is a lie?
Mama, the very day I left this village to the city, the little money I used for my transportation, it was Pascal that gave me the money. Huh? Yes! In any case, I did not take any money from Ignatius, so I did not take his money.
Victor, ihu otu aha gị shewu n'obodo a. Aha gị wugazie wuga n'obodo a.
Digne.
Nke wụ eziokwu okwe ma ndị a na-agụ egwu ị na-ewuzi n'obodo a kara aka. Ignatius went from shop to shop to shop to shop, collecting items on credit, telling them that you ran away to Lagos with his 100,000 naira.
Joy!
No
wonder the devil is black, Mama. When I was coming back, if you see the way Peace was looking at me, Peace was looking at me so suspiciously. I was asking myself if my clothes, maybe I'm not well dressed. I was looking at myself. I was so ashamed of myself, Mama. The way Peace was looking at me. Yes! I never knew that my own brother has turned my name to currency. Yes! He's now using my name as currency, buying things from people. Paying with my name, telling them that Victor ran away with his money. Mama, I did not take his money. Oh. I did not take his money. Did Ignatius keep any money for someone to take? Who doesn't know Ignatius in this town, this village?
I have known all this while that...
Mama, let that one not bother you. That one is not even the reason why I'm here. Eh? Mama, very soon. Very soon. But Ignatius is just acting out of frustration. Very soon, I will arrive. I'm about to jack a pot. Any moment from now, NTA cannot read any news without mentioning Victor. As a matter of fact, they will no longer call me, they will say Vic. That is my AKA. Mama, NTA was carrying my news. Even CNN International. CNN cannot talk anything without mentioning me because I'm about to ring. In fact, so tell my news, Al Jazeera must carry my news because I'm about to dark a port.
Al Jazeera on there and go make terrorist.
Mama, whenever a big money is being mentioned, Al Jazeera must carry the news. Hence, it's a news that has to do with too much money.
Yeah.
Mama, relax. My problem now is that do the land. I want you to go and verify if that land is still for sale because I need to buy it. And this roof, I want to pull it. Then, all these things I'm going to remove. Mama, we don't know the way. It's little thing, it's remaining small. I will hit it. Then everything will change. But Gracious will only be monitoring my site. I know he likes all those kind of things.
You want to buy land?
Mama, I'm about to buy a land. I said I'm about to hit port. Imagine something that will make Al Jazeera to talk about me. Is it a small thing? Mama, I'm about to hit it big. Don't worry, before I leave this town, I will give you something. I came back with something actually, but that is not the main thing I'm talking about. Oh. The main money is yet to come.
I know you.
That is not the main money.
Ignatius has given me headache.
No. Forget about the Ignatius.
Ignatius! Okay, you thought we never saw you, right? Will you come back here? You think you can run?
Please.
Ignatius!
This you're doing is not fair.
What?
Is it fair? Listen, you're supposed to understand.
You think you can just run away like that, right? Go and get my money right now! Is it that you give me the money? I told you that this one will not pay anytime. Don't worry. I told you.
Leave him alone. Leave him. Why are you people holding him like a common criminal?
That is what he is. He's a criminal.
Yeah? I'm no longer a debtor.
Go inside and get my money. I don't have any business with you at all.
Wait, which money are you talking about?
He came to my shop and packed everything in my shop. Since long ago, he has not brought my money back. Go inside and get my money. I don't have any business with you at all. Now.
Oh, yeah.
Sister, I told you this. I told you that this one will not bring any money. You said it though.
You mean
I told you this. I was just thinking that you buy sugar, buy biscuits,
you mean
buy
he's
everything.
owing you?
He told me that you collected 100,000 naira from him and ran away. So now I'm here to get my money. He's telling me stories.
No.
You no longer have to.
No, hold on. Did you hear what she said?
What I heard she said was
Did you hear her?
She said
No, she said that you said that I ran away with your money. Which money?
The thing is that he said
it's okay.
That's what he said.
How much is your money?
11,500. 11,500.
11,500?
Yes.
Me owing you 11,500? You're a liar. You are a liar. Yes.
I'm a liar.
How can you say I'm owing 11,500?
Okay.
Let me ask you. Mba, don't say okay. All the things in your shop, put them together. Are they up to 11,500 naira? Mama, go and joke.
Just calm down.
Okay.
I know how to do it. It's okay now.
11,500 naira.
Yes, that's my money.
I will pay the money.
I'll
give her the money. I don't like this noise here.
Okay, leave me now.
You have man to talk now.
Okay, leave him alone. I'm here.
Wait. Yeah, Victor. Yeah. What did he just say? You give her the 11,500 naira.
Okay, should I allow her to come and disgrace us?
Victor, let me ask you. Is it that anybody who comes here and lie, you give him 11,500 naira?
I'm lying.
This girl is a liar and you want to give her 11,500 naira. These people are liars.
I don't want to talk about that.
I am not doing this person.
The fact that you went and brought something with my name.
Give us our money. Let's
go. Is it because I'm not talking about the fact that you went and bought something with my name?
Okay, no problem. Your name. I use your name to buy something. Is your name pounds and dollars? No problem. Hence, you pay liars now. I have 7 friends who are liars. I'll go and bring my friends to come to this place and lie. So I pay them 7,500.
It's remaining 500. Let me count.
It's remaining 500 naira. You even have choice.
Okay,
Victor, hence you pay liars now. I have 7 friends who are liars. I have 7 friends who are liars. I will go and bring them.
Tomorrow you come and give them. Wow.
Let me tell you, you are an unfortunate human being. By right, you're supposed to be football. I thought you got a bubble. See the other one. You don't even. Let me talk. You don't even have breast. I am sure the day God was creating you, there was scarcity of breast. Look at my mother's own. My mother been now.
Respect yourself. Respect yourself.
You don't have shame.
You respect yourself.
You don't have shame.
You don't have shame.
Anybody that comes here, you give the person 11,000.
Why will you buy something with my name?
Why will somebody come and lie and you give me?
Why will you buy something with my name?
Don't worry. Hence you give people who lie money. I have 7 friends.
Why am I making so that buy your
I have 7 friends who are liars. I'll bring them.
Brother, what would you have done? What do you expect him to do at this point?
I want to go to toilet. I want to go to toilet. I have told you. Hearing your name alone. I have told you time with that number. Stop talking when I am talking. Each time you talk, your words are, in fact, is worse than running stomach.
Come and stitch it.
I should come and stitch your mouth. I should come and stitch your mouth.
You should go and stitch her mouth.
Don't try
No,
it.
don't
Mama.
touch her.
Don't try it.
Don't
Mama,
touch
leave
her.
the way.
What do you want to do? Leave her
Mama,
alone.
let me tell
Don't
you.
touch her.
I'm still your baby.
Don't touch her.
I'm still breastfeeding.
Don't touch her. Don't touch her.
You don't like it. Adult sucking now. That's what I will give to you. Mama, remove
Go
this
and touch her.
signboard. Mama, remove this signboard from the road.
Mama, don't worry. Let her touch her. Mama,
Mama,
no, go and touch her. No, Mama, don't worry. Allow me. Touch her. Touch her, let me see. No, touch her. Don't touch her. I said touch her.
Victor, more.
No, I said touch her. No, touch her.
Victor, more.
I said touch her.
I'm walking
Touch her.
Victor, more.
No, touch her. I said touch her.
Come and touch me.
Do you know my trained security? Do you know what I do? I'm a trained officer.
Victor,
I will show you.
Victor,
I'm a trained security officer.
I will tell you that I'm so strong.
I'll show my skills now. You take less. I'll show my skills.
Turn this way.
No. Mama, don't worry.
let me finish with human being. Then
Watch what I will do. I'll give you a
Let me finish with human being and then go to spirit.
Watch me.
Victor.
Do you know what this means?
Let me finish with
Do you know
human
what
being.
this means?
Then go
This
to
finger.
spirit.
When I do
Let
like
me go to
this,
spirit.
when I do this finger, do you know what it means? Mama, allow them. Let me. No, Mama, allow. Mama, don't worry. Mama, don't worry. Let it. No. Mama, don't worry. Mama, I don't know what to do. Don't worry. No. Mama, don't worry. Allow him. No.
Mama, is it you?
No. Okay, yo. Mama, wait. Wait first. You're fighting a woman. Fight her. No, let me watch you. What nonsense?
Victor,
I don't do nonsense.
Victor,
No.
Victor,
Victor. This is soap. I will return the key. Do you understand? Even I've called John they come to this place. So that if you give John this soap, now John knows what to do with it.
How you take the key?
He was carried away with Sandra. He opened the stuff. This is the key. He opened the stuff. The door. He did not even close it. I strike opportunity.
Confirm.
As I strike,
Confirm.
I go bring soap. Just press him. You see this mark?
No,
touch on top.
No, touch on top.
If you touch on top now, you don't give him another shape.
No.
I press him. If you can't give John know what he can go to. He's on his way to this place. I no get joy.
We don't jackpot.
Since I'm happy with all this salary, 20,000 already pay me every month.
We don't jackpot. You only 20,000. My will be 14.2.
14.2.
14.2. We don't jackpot.
When your time will be up, you will say, how I know it will be late, very late. When your time will end, you will say.
Vera, that money in that bag is up to 10 million naira. What do we do?
Nothing. Today is
Let me go back. Why not the chief security of this place? I'm the chief security. I have the rights to walk anyhow I like. Let me see why they are hiding. This must be a serious something.
He's whose man? Like, as if you don't know I don't love anybody. I only want the money. So just tell me what we do now.
In that case, we take the money and leave this house as soon as possible. But wait, there is one question. How do we move the money out?
Now you're talking. Whenever I tap you, you move.
Yes, boss.
You will say, how I know it will be late, very late.
Chinekele. I talk am.
women, girls. You see, even for Bible talk and say the devil came to thief and destroy. These girls came here to thief my Oga's money and destroy us. Me and Pascal. But it will not work. Will it work? No! I will deal with them. Even if they thief the money, no be from the gate they will carry and come out. I go agree. No baby, Victor again. I will let them know that I am the chief security in charge of this edifice. Agwono kwana krika o mba. Pascal won't agree.
Calm down. What is the problem?
Pascal will plan these girls, they plan. Pascal will try execute these girls, they try execute.
What happened now? You make my mind fly.
Our money. This our money. We will try carry come out. We won't try carry Wale. Now these girls they plan on how to they carry. As I was passing back there, yes, I saw two of them having a conversation where Sandra was telling them that there is a huge amount of money in Ugasu and they are planning to run away with the money.
Calm down. As I speak to you, John is straight to this place to bring the key.
This will not see this video.
No worry, we will overshadow the whole at fast. The key is already coming. They're just making plans on why we have executed the plans. Yes. They are still making plans while our own is already on pipeline. The only thing you need to do now is that as the security monitor the environment while I monitor the girls.
Even if they carry the money, maybe one from carry and run. No be for my gate. Okay, where I go they watch them. They carry my money, they walk.
Monitor them. Monitor them. How?
Let me go back to my gate. And mount my gate. Any port will they pass, I go search them. Including you, I go search.
Hit the man. You heard the man.
Victor!
Yeah. Okay.
Victor. I wanted to put a vacancy notice like this.
Okay. Notice? Okay, you and I know that there is no other vacancy in this house. Okay, I've said this before. If there is any way we've offended you in the past, please forgive us. Forgive us now, no sack us.
Come, who told you I am sacking you? Who told you I want to sack you?
Well, if you are not sacking us, then why are you bringing in another person? Why am I putting the vacancy? Vacancy of what, sir?
See, I wanted to get me a cook.
A cook?
Yes.
Ha! Why cook, Oga?
What do you mean by that?
No. Okay, let it not be like as if I'm telling you what to do. To me, if I should say or to suggest, I would say that we don't need cook because we already have two hefty ladies that can cook any kind of meal.
You must be very stupid. So you're indirectly calling myself and Vera cooks in this house? Trudy, you better warn your gate man because he's insulting me too much. What's that? Please leave me.
You see you, just pray that she doesn't leave. Or you. Baby, please come.
Is it not for your own good? Is it not for your own good? Is it for his own good? I'm trying to make you save your money. Why will you bring any other cook in this house? When we have pretty ladies that can cook any kind of meal for us. You want to bring another cook? Else you go to Dubai. What will you do? Wonderful, wonderful. Baby, yo, are you looking for me or my Oga or Kali? Which of us? Oga no day. I mean, they're in charge. How are you?
Anyways, I came in respect of the job notice I just saw.
Maybe you are mistaking that notice. What we are looking for is somebody that will be cooking. I mean, a cook. Somebody that will be cooking and dishing to us, will be eating. Not here, not the club. Here, not the clubhouse or hotel. Now, best house with this. Okay.
I know what the job is for, and that is why I'm here.
You mean
Yes.
Say you go they cook for us with the job.
I said that is why I'm here.
You don't get them. You don't win the work. You hear? Don't worry. Whether you put pepper or not, sugar or not, even salt, soup or sweet. With this, your physiological expression, let's migrate inside.
When your time will be up, you will say that I know it will be late.
Who's that?
Very late.
Victor, come here.
Come.
Are you there?
Very late.
Anyways, my name is Juicy.
Juicy?
I came in respect of the job notice I saw outside.
Sorry, sweetheart. Did you see the position on that notice out there?
A cook.
Cook.
Am I right?
Cook. I don't even want to go show am kitchen where he dey and even the pot so that she will begin to do something. Look with job.
You must be very stupid. Anyways, Juicy, what we actually need is a male cook and not a female cook.
Really? Okay. I guess I better take my leave.
Good. Please do.
Yeah.
I say, I never still stop this nonsense when I did you. With the fire cook. I finally bring cook come when I don't push you. It good?
Will you shut your mouth up?
Wetin be shut your mouth? Person why I go even carry go show where kitchen there. Show am pot. Make she
shut your mouth. What's that? Come on, go to your post.
And I go let her beg me to get cook food.
My friend, go and close that gate.
Make I see person who go say, hey, Victor, go buy food for me. Go punish.
Hey, Victor must be wrong. This guy is up to something. You better go and warn him. Anyways, my name is Josie. In our house. Cook.
Hey. Babe, she won't collect sleep for your eyes. She.
Victor! Victor!
Now wait it. I don't finally concur. Make I go bring her.
You must be very stupid. So you had the mind to bring in a prostitute to this house to seduce Judy, right?
Who they call prostitute? Who they call prostitute? Eh?
Well, let me bust your bubble, sweetheart. Your plans failed. Now listen, we don't need a female cook in this house.
Who is who they call sweetheart herself? Who is they call
Listen,
sweetheart?
as a matter of fact, we do not need any other female in this compound. Did I make myself clear? Nonsense.
Mami and Mama, for this place, I go let una know say, na me first when I begin enjoy this house, where una won't come enjoy. When I go know who I be, I go show una my true color.
When your time will be up, you will say that I know it will be late. very late. When your turn we end, you will say, had I know it will be late, very late. Oh.
Hey, come here. Come here. We can open the gates. We are going out.
Give me the key.
Huh?
I said you should give me the key.
Okay, this one you are requesting, or you are telling to take the key away from me. I hope
Are you mad? Why those questions?
Let me be sure that I'm not losing my job. It's not my car, it's your car. Who am
Give
I
me the
to
keys.
question you?
I want to drive myself. Go up there and make sure you tidy up everywhere before I come back. Besides, I might not be coming back tonight.
What of the guests?
Get out from my side.
Are you people coming back?
Take care of yourself. Oh, yeah. Baby, where's your name? Oh my God. Hey, why are you following me up and down?
No, I just want to be sure that the guests entered well.
Take care of my baby.
For what?
I've not asked you to open the gate. Why are you struggling with the gate?
Sorry, sir.
Be careful.
When your time will be up, you will say, had I know it will be late, very late.
Close that thing.
When your
Close it now.
time will end, you will say, had I know it will be late.
As we don't succeed, carry this come out now.
Now opportunity to this.
John is on his way to this place. Eh?
Who the blow? John,
come! They try guesses. Now so you open gate. Why? These guests catch you. Now so you open gate, you cast everything.
Make I go bring and make we carry this money. Now our boss don't jackpot now. No, you don't go them.
Check whether no.
Okay, so you will come back and now go open. No, all right, come.
You bring out the money? Carry the money. I don't see the money. Can you bring us? Carry my help you.
No, carry this one. Carry my go get for him. You take this? You take this? You take this?
When your time will be up, you will say, had I know it will be late, very late. When your time will end, you will say, had I know it will be late, very late. Oh, oh, oh,
I was answering one call. The CEO or the CSO of this street in security aspect called me on phone. He was alerting me about the.
Come on, stop talking nonsense. Every time you have something to say, are you mad?
Sorry, sir.
Must you talk? Eh?
It's about the robbers, so they were.
If I give you a slap now, you see yourself in hell. Come on, get out of this place.
Victor.
When your time will be up, you will say that I know it will be late, very late. When your time will end, you will say that I know it will be late, very late.
Why they come back?
Oga say him come and prepare the they get feelings.
He can come back. I talk this time. I talk and say this man, narcotic man. Yes. Why you be saying that today? When we don't plan how to execute this money, we don't really the kind of come out. Now anybody go to do come back. When we say John, don't they on his way already to help us carry the money come out. That man narcotic man.
What is it that we say we not go lose hope, we go strategize, we go think how we go take plan against strike.
You no need to plan too much. You will calm down. Look for another opportunity. You understand? As soon as the opportunity enter, bam! We carry money come out. Yeah?
No problem, but the thing we did we say we go strike before this gets strike against us.
We go there careful. But it is something women they suggest too. See, say these girls, they try plan to carry this money. Is it not better? We execute a deal together with them. Since say they will get the same interest.
If we get, as you get interest with them, if I get the money, share them, carry your own share with them.
No, we do the job.
You Chris. I better come out. I will sleep before you come.
Could not sleep last night. Mama, you did not sleep. I hope you're fine. I am fine, and I am not fine. Look around you now. Ask yourself a question. Is everything all right? Look at Ignatius. Complete village loafer. Victor, I don't understand. It's as if you have just abandoned me to my fate. I have done my bit of training my children. Is my own supposed to be upside down? Are they not supposed to be reciprocating it at this juncture? Instead they have ignored me, forgotten me.
Mama, please, Uche said here that very day he came. Please, forget about that thing he said. Okay? You know if Victor have this money, he cannot allow you to suffer. You know he loves you a lot.
He was here. He was here some days ago and he was telling me he wanted to buy land. He wanted to bring down this one, take off the roof. And right now, none of them is even bothered if we are eating or we are not. Joy.
Calm down. Calm down. Everything will be fine. See, I don't want to be getting worked up over all these things. You know you are 1 in a million mother. I'll take good care of you. When you come for my omugo, I'll take good care of you. So I want you to keep smiling like this for me.
I will.
No, ma'am. Forget about them.
Because of you,
I'm here for you. Is it well then? Did you collect my money under the pillow?
Sister, do you not print money under the pillow? which one is your money? Do you not have money? I know that Nigeria has currency. America has their own currency. Japan has their own currency.
Give me my money. Stop counting all this in your
So do you not have currency? You said your money. Do you not have what is the name of your currency?
Give me my money.
I know naira, I know pounds, I know dollars. What is the name of your currency?
Bro, give me my money now. Give my money.
He said, bro, give me my money. Give me my money.
Give my money. Give my money. Oh, give my money. Give my money. I want to go and start buy something. Give my money. You're the one that's supposed to be giving me. You're collecting the one I have. Why?
Let me tell you, I use expensive soap to wash this clothes. Everything I orange. I use expensive soap to wash this clothes too. This is Italian. In half leg go look. Give my money. I should give you your money.
Oh, you're gonna have money. Which one is good?
Leave my set. I'm telling you. What's the name of your money? Which currency is your money? Leave me. Mama, tell her to leave you.
Mama, will not leave me. He took my money.
I took your money.
When I'm supposed to use that, my toiletries, he took it. You should be the one that be giving me.
I took your money. Mama, let me take. If I'm looking for somebody to take his or her money, I go to Central Bank and take money from Central Bank. What will I take? Do you have money? What is the name of your currency? What is the name of your currency?
Okay. At my age, I am still giving your younger sister money to buy soap. And you're here. When you hear that name.
So
you still can collect it.
You're giving my younger sister money to buy something. Let me tell you, if you can give my younger sister money, you're supposed to give me even more. Because I'm your first possession. I'm your first inheritance. If you can give her money, give me better money. And she's complaining that I stole her money. Why would I go and steal her own money when I know that the resources is here? I should have gone straight to the resources and take money.
My money is in his pocket.
Your money is in my pocket.
Money is there.
I am sure your eye is also in my pocket. For you to have looked into my pocket and see your money. I told you this girl is a spirit. She's there, knowing that her money is in my pocket. This girl is a spirit, I told you, Mama. Change this girl.
You're ashamed of yourself.
Because of what? Mama, I don't steal your money. What I do is take away. I take away your money, I don't steal your money. So I have no reason to go and take her money. Also, my money is here. How did you know your money is here, evil girl?
Mama, he's going to spend my money. He's going to spend my money.
It's okay. I gave it to you. I'll still replace it. Don't worry. Oh, you will not do something tangible with that money. Go and follow your mates. But bet Niger, no. Niger bet, Access bet, Mba.
Go now, Modiki. Don't touch the surface. So you don't spoil it. Go. If you need cash or you don't have cash, just check my handbag. But how sure are you that this sticky? I'm telling you, don't touch the surface. Just keep pointing. It is just hold on. Talk later. Okay. Hold. Let me know. Vera! What is it? Look, now it looks like we're moving money out. But it's just one obstacle. What could that be? Victor! How do we get that guy out of the way? It's okay. I'll handle him. What do you get to do? For once, trust me. I'll handle him. Well, just go upstairs, get the money. What? Don't come outside. Just sit at the bar. I'll join you. Okay. Just be careful. Go. Victor!
What are you doing inside?
Sorry. And they read paper.
A security man reading paper when you're supposed to be guarding this house.
So you don't know, say, I supposed to read paper. Make I forget information. How to eliminate and disarm armed robbers for this street as the chief CEO, the chief security agency.
Shut up your mouth. Listen, I have problem with a security man staying in the room when he's supposed to be on duty.
Ewo.
Now listen, take yourself to that security post and guard this house as you're supposed to.
Immediately at once, as the madam of this place. I like say something lost for this place, it concern you. If thieves come here, thief, it concern you. If money lost for this place, now your money, what it concern you? Madam Vera.
Victor, I've told you my own. Go to that post now and guard this house.
See, make I tell you, next time when you won't come from my office, my house, call me on phone. Now me be Victor. You know me before.
Victor, come outside, go to the gate and stay.
Come, use rope, come carry me. Use rope, come carry me. Now you go tell me what to do. My building. Come on, use rope. I am here. I'm studying formation.
When your time will be up, you will say that I know it will be late, very late. When your time will end, you will say that I know it will be late, very late.
Victor.
Waiting, come out my window.
Try and open the door.
Which door?
This one, try and open it.
Woo!
I told you.
Give me that key. Come on, give me my key.
Yeah, take it. Try it now. Try it, idiot. Look at the key here. If that your stupid friend comes back, he will open the door for you, idiot.
What is it over there?
That is the bag of money.
Woo! Kita Grace, Vera! No money with that! No, my money! Oh, my money! My money! If I come up with this place and this girl that sings, when they're putting my money on. Yeah! Pascal! Victor. Oh. Morgan. Oh. Hey. What happened? Hey. What happened? This guy don't finish me. Finish you up. My money. Which one? My money. Oh. Which one? My money is gone. My money is gone. I can't understand what you're saying. Which money? Where is it? My money, oh. My money, oh! My money, oh! Oh! Hey! Hey!
Waiting with the wahala of this.
These guys don't finish me.
Waiting they finish you.
These guys don't carry my money run. Vera get minds. When I say make I dey.
They carry your salary.
They carry my back. Ghana must go money now. The money we don't dey plan say make we carry. Make we go take build a house for our villages. Now the stupid Vera get Mora come here. He lock me inside. They carry the money with Sandra.
Why don't get sense?
What did I do?
Why one naira sense no dey?
What did I for do now? If now they no go lock you.
Where you dey when these guys carry you lock inside?
I dey inside my this thing come lock me.
Come lock you.
I dey read paper. Say make I know how I go take the catch and over for this street.
Victor, no tell me say these guys don't carry that money where all my hope dey for.
Money where you don't carry so come take do me talk from my window. Now they talk. You don't carry am run now. Where you park your motor? Wait, because who are you take enter?
I park outside. And as I dey come, I don't see any gear. I don't see people here.
Money go still remain for that place. Money go get plenty money. Money still remain. No go check whether money remain. Bring in your car first. Bring in your car.
Leave the car first. We'll go inside. Go check.
No, go check. Bring the car.
My money. Where are these boys? Eh? My money. Everywhere is open. Huh? Okay. Where is my money? Huh? Where is my money?
Okay, we did not. If we see money, we tell you.
Come here. Why are you wearing cap? I'm talking to you. Where is my money? Huh? Idiots. Why did you allow those guys to go out with my money?
Okay, we didn't allow them.
Are you not getting
They
money?
locked me inside. They locked me inside. They locked me inside. They locked me inside my room. Okay, don't worry. Don't worry,
Okay, I was busy walking the gear.
Okay,
You are not even wearing belt.
You don't have my salary. You don't have my salary.
Hey! Okay, see the hand. See the Robert. Cheese!
Ndoshi.
I said it.
Ndoshi.
I said it.
Ndoshi. Thief.
Thief. Tell me. Where is my money? Where is my money before I kill you here now? Where is my money?
Even this one. See this one. You. All of them. They be thief.
Oh yeah, lead them. Where is my money? Which hand robbers? Who is hand robbers? Huh?
I guess you're Mr. Chief Johnson.
Yes, I am Shudi Dubai.
Okay. You're from State Command. Mr. Chidi, you're under arrest for the parade and laundering of fake money in this country. And you have the right to remain silent. Anything you say or do will be used against you in the court of law. So,
Officer, it has not gotten to that. Let's go inside and settle this amicably. I have money. My name is Judy. Shudi Dubai, I have money. Currency, dirhams, naira. Let's go and settle this.
Mr. Chidi, we are respectable officers. We don't take bribes. And we are not part of those that take bribe and spoil police force.
Officer, do you want to die in this uniform? Huh? I will change your life entirely. Huh? Come on, let's go inside.
Do your job.
Alright, get up, let's move.
Thank you. Move.
Move.
You push. Move. I don't let them go. Crime no dey pay. Crime no dey pay. Arrest them, officer.
But office move.
Huh?
Move. We are going together.
We
are moving together. Move.
Now, get man.
We are moving together. We are going to the station. Fast.
I said you should move.
Move.
I said I must go to sell. I told you this year is 7. Who will not be late? Who will not be late? Move it.
When your time will be up, you will say, "Had I know it will be late, very late." turn, we end. You say, had I know it will be late.